In the given quadratic function, b and c are constants. The graph of y equal f of x in the xy plane is a parabola with its vertex at the point h1, where h is a constant. If h is less than 0, which of the following must be true? 1, b is less than 0, 2, c is greater than 0, and then we have our four choices. All right, so this is a difficult quadratic problem, so let's try it. All right, so I have my vertexes at h1 and h is less than 0. So I'm going to use my vertex formula, negative b over 2a, and I'm going to set it equal to h. The opposite of negative b would be b, divided by 2 times a is 5, so 2 times 5 equals h, which gives me b divided by 10 equals h, and if I multiply both sides by 10, I get b is equal to 10h. But it tells us that h is less than 0, so that means that 1 must be true, b must be less than 0. So the answer is either A or D, so now we need to check to see if Roman numeral 2 is true. So in order to do that, what I'm going to do is use the point h1 and I'm going to plug it into the function. So I get 1 equals 5h squared minus bh plus c when I plug in h for x and 1 for f of x. And what I will do is I'll solve for c. So I'm going to move the 5h squared and the bh over to the other side. Now I know from the previous step that b is equal to 10h, so I'm going to sub in 10h for b, and then I would get 1 minus 5h squared plus 10h squared equals c, which gives me 1 plus 5h squared equals c, and that is always going to come out to be a positive value no matter what I plug in for h. So that means that part 2 is also true, so the answer must be D.